Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to fix a Firefox problem whereby if you want to visit a site like this, you click here. You get a pop-up which tells you like Firefox prevented this page from automatically directing to another page. So most of sites you visit, you're gonna get this. So but if you click allow, that goes. So when it goes, it doesn't simply mean that that's a solution. It's not a solution, just something which helps you to proceed, but it doesn't. It's annoying anyway if you come every time when you have to do something. You have to click this. You're gonna see a couple of links I'm going to click on. They're gonna tell me that same nonsense. You see this one also, I'm trying to click on this, giving the same thing. Okay, let me try to do something else here. I wanna go to bbc.com. Some sites they don't give you this, some they do. You can see BBC straight on, doesn't give you any problems. We can go to rt.com. See no trouble. Sorry, there's no trouble here. We're gonna go to which other big site? We're gonna go to Twitter. Click there. Doesn't give us any trouble also. So simply means we have troubles on specific websites, and some they are pretty fine. So like this is a website for cars. If I click on each and every link they sent me, I have to click here and accept, then I can view the site. So if I click on another link on the site, when I'm on the site I don't get that problem. Even if I go to their homepage, I don't get any problem with them. So that simply means we have to find a way to fix this instead of being here, and every time when you visit we have to do what, to click that button. Sometimes you cannot see that button when you're not so careful, so you might think like there's nothing you're going to do, or your browser got a problem. So this is a Firefox problem. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type in about, then you put colon in, then say config, then you say enter. Yes, when you hit enter it's gonna say accept risks, show this warning next time, then you go that. So another step here, you're gonna go to the search and try to click search access, and wait, it says accessibility block auto refresh. That's what something I have to say. You can see this is equals to true. So what we do, we can put it on false, and we close the browser. Let's see if it's gonna work. You can see it worked. So that's the way we've clicked. We've managed to fix that. Even if okay, let me go back. We see if we switch it off, it's gonna show us the same thing. I'm gonna say about, then colon config, then say enter. It tells you this, and it say access. Once you say access, look for the button which say accessibility block auto refresh. So it's on false. Let me put it on true. So when I put it on true, we're trying to reverse engineer what we've done, so that we see if what we've done is a solution or something temporary. So we close that and we go back to these websites, and we wanna go here and click the same thing. You can see it give us that same error. We can say allow. When we click allow, that is when the website is opened. So when the website is opened, so it simply means we managed to fix things in a temporary way. But the best way to do things is to go back and say about, and you say colon config, say hit enter. So it's gonna say I accept the risk. You say enter, then you say access. Once you see access, it's gonna show you the button which says, the link which says accessibility block auto refresh. So on that, once you come here and click true, it will block you. But if you put it on false, you just double click. Once you see it change to false, do that, then close it. And it's always good to close each and every thing, all the tabs, and you restart Firefox. So you close everything, then you open Firefox. It works. In my case, I don't have to do that. Once I hit that, I can click on anything, then it works well. So you can see I don't face any problems anymore, and I think that was the fix. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, please do give us a comment in the comment box below, and also please share our content to social media or anywhere you can to help us grow. We really appreciate your help and your support, and your comment is good, can add on something to our channel, and also your subscription means a lot to us. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.